Hey there! Have you ever woken up feeling like your throat's been sandpapered overnight? Yeah, we've all been there. Sore throats are one of those pesky issues that seem to strike at the worst times. Whether it's during an important meeting or just when you're trying to relax, this discomfort can really throw off your day. Now, did you know that over 30 million people visit their doctors every year because of sore throats? That's right, it's incredibly common. But here's the thing, not all sore throats are created equal. Some are caused by viruses, others by bacteria, and sometimes even environmental factors like dry air or pollution play a role. The tricky part? Figuring out what's behind your sore throat. Most viral infections won't respond to antibiotics, so knowing whether it's bacterial, viral, or something else is key. For instance, if it's bacterial, you might be dealing with strep throat, a condition caused by group A strep bacteria. Let's dive into how you can tell the difference. Differentiating between strep throat and sore throat. Alright, let's break it down. So, how do you know if your sore throat is due to strep or just a regular viral infection? Here's the scoop. Strep throat tends to hit fast and hard. You'll likely experience a sudden fever, often above 101 degrees Fahrenheit, without any coughing. On the flip side, viral sore throats usually develop more gradually. They often come with additional symptoms like a runny nose, hoarseness, or even pink eye. One big clue? Check your tonsils. If they're super red, swollen, and maybe even have white patches, chances are it's strep throat. Swollen lymph nodes in your neck are another giveaway. In contrast, viral sore throats tend to cause milder symptoms, including little to no fever. Keep these differences in mind, they'll help guide you toward the right treatment. And hey, don't worry if it feels overwhelming. We're about to share some awesome remedies to tackle both types of sore throats naturally. Stick around for that. Natural home remedies for sore throat. So, whether you're dealing with a viral sore throat or waiting for your doctor's verdict on strep, there are plenty of natural ways to soothe the pain. First up, salt water gargling. This age-old trick works wonders. The salt draws out excess mucus and reduces inflammation, giving you instant relief. Just mix a pinch of salt with warm water and gargle several times a day. Easy peasy, right? Next, let's talk about turmeric, nature's golden powerhouse. Thanks to its antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric is a game-changer for sore throats. Try adding a teaspoon of turmeric to a glass of warm milk. It's comforting and effective. Plus, it's a remedy grandma would approve of. For quick fixes, consider over-the-counter lozenges containing ingredients like benzocaine, menthol, or eucalyptus oil. These can numb the area temporarily, making it easier to swallow. Zinc-based lozenges are also great since zinc speeds up recovery from colds and sore throats. And let's not forget honey. Not only does it taste amazing, but its antibacterial properties make it perfect for soothing irritated throats. Stir some into tea or lemon water for double the benefits. Additional remedies and tips. Let's wrap things up with a few more tips to keep that sore throat under control. First, stay hydrated. Dehydration makes your throat drier and more uncomfortable, so sip on water, herbal teas, or broths throughout the day. Bonus points for adding lemon slices, they're rich in vitamin C, which boosts your immune system. If steamy showers aren't your thing, try using a humidifier to add moisture to the air. Dry environments can irritate your throat further, so keeping things moist helps a lot. Can't find a humidifier? No problem. Simply breathing in steam from a ball of hot water works too. Pro tip: elevate your head while sleeping. Lying flat increases pressure at the back of your throat, worsening discomfort. Prop yourself up with an extra pillow to breathe easier and reduce nighttime pain. Lastly, avoid triggers like smoking, spicy foods, or acidic drinks, especially if you have acid reflux. There you go, natural remedies, lifestyle tweaks, and a bit of TLC to get you through sore throat season. Liked what you learned? Share this video with friends and family who could use some relief. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health hacks.